Hi Tari, how are you?
Oh, hi. I'm fine, Billy. How about you?
I'm fine too. Mm, by the way, do you have any plans this weekend?
Uh, okay, please wait. Let me take a moment to check on my schedule.
Okay, I'll wait.
So, after I see on my schedule, I think I'm free in this weekend. Why do you asking, Billy?
Great! So, I want to ask you to accompany me to watch a movie together. The new Marvel movie. You know, the movie about Doctor Strange.
Oh yeah, oh my god, I also curious. People always told to me that the movie was so great. So, when we are going, Billy?
This Saturday. Can you?
Sorry? I didn't catch that. Say that again, please. I have a bad signal and your voice is a little bit broken.
I said, well, watch the movie this Saturday.
Okay, noted. Billy, the waiting line is so long. Do you mind to waiting the ticket for us?
Yes, of course. Just relax. Mm, oh, what snacks do you want to buy to watch in the cinema later?
Um, I think I just want to order one large caramel popcorn, one Cheetos, and for the drink, I just want to order one large of mineral water.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
I said I want to order one popcorn, one Cheetos, and one mineral water, and its size is large.
Oh my gosh, Tari, I'm really sorry. I forgot my wallet. Um, will you lend me a 200,000 rupiah? I promise I'll pay it back later as soon as possible.
Yes, certainly. Please don't forget to check your wallet next time, Billy. Whether you brought it or not, thank goodness I brought an extra money so I can pay for our tickets and snacks.
Yeah, I'm in so much pain. Anyway, thanks, Tari.
No problem, Billy. Don't mention it, okay?
Tari, will you help me bring some snacks? We have too many snacks. I'm overwhelmed with bringing everything by myself.
Oh my god, sorry, Billy, for bothering you. Yes, alright. Here, let me help.
Alright, thank you for the help, Tari.